Donovan Mitchell's postseason reputation is packed with highlight moments, like his 50-point explosion against Orlando in 2024 and his 70-point game that placed him in elite company. Although the Cavaliers haven't broken through in the playoffs just yet, the Eastern Conference's current landscape could give Mitchell the chance to lead a deep run. Enter the Adidas D.O.N #7, now appearing in a monochromatic all-black colorway. Whether symbolizing Spida's killer instinct or just keeping things sleek, this version drops August 1st for $120. The silhouette features a shroud or bootie containment unit, a curvilinear grid at the toe, and 3 stripes branding that slices into the midsole, tech praised by hoopers across the board. With its stealthy vibe, the shoe mirrors Mitchell's fierce on-court presence. Stylish and built for performance, the D.O.N #7 triple black is primed to make noise both in the gym and on the streets.